Today we're going to take a look at how to install a string light. Let's get started. First, we put the included adapter aside, as we don't need it yet. Roll out the string light, check for any knots or restrictions. And if you find any, untie them. Next, connect the LED bulbs in the designated sockets. Now, we can connect the adapter. Make sure we put it in the right orientation though, as it'll only fit in one way. Secure the connector by tightening the nut, and just to be sure, double check that the connection is firmly in place. Now you can hang up the string light and plug it in the power supply, and that's it. Are you curious about this product? Great! Click on the link above and go to our website. Did you like the video? Then please leave a like. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and we would love to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.